Looking to convert an Excel file to PDF on your Windows PC for free? In this video, we'll show you a simple way to do it using the built-in Windows options. You'll also learn how to fit all your content onto one page and explore other useful formatting features to create a polished PDF. Let's get started. To convert an Excel file to a PDF, start by opening your Excel sheet. Depending on the amount of content in your file, you'll have different formatting and layout options before converting. Go to File menu and click Print, or simply press Ctrl-P on your keyboard. From here, you can choose your print settings to fit your content. Adjust the page orientation to either portrait or landscape, depending on how your content fits best on the page. Under the printer options, select Microsoft Print to PDF, a built-in and free feature available on Windows PCs. If you have Adobe Acrobat installed, you may also see Save as Adobe PDF, though this version may have limitations unless you're using Acrobat Pro. Once you've finalized your settings, click Print. You'll then be prompted to choose a location and save your file as a PDF. If you're converting a larger Excel file with multiple sheets to PDF, you can choose whether to print only the active sheet, selected content, or the entire workbook. Once you've made your selection, click Print to start the conversion and then save the PDF to your desired location. After saving, open the PDF file to review the content. If needed, you can go back and make adjustments in Excel before reprinting to ensure everything is formatted exactly the way you want. If you want to fit all the content from a worksheet onto a single page in your PDF, either by columns or rows, you can select the appropriate scaling option while printing. The print preview will help you see how the content will appear in the PDF before finalizing your selection. Based on the option you choose, Excel will automatically shrink the content to fit the page. Once you're satisfied with the layout, click Print to convert the Excel content to a PDF. Keep in mind, for worksheets with a lot of data, fitting everything on one page might reduce readability. You can also specify page numbers if you only want to print selected pages from your worksheet. Another useful way to control how your content fits on a page when printing or converting to PDF is by using the page break feature. Page breaks divide the content in a worksheet into separate sections, helping you customize how each page is printed. To set the page layout for printing and PDF conversion, go to the View tab and select Page Break Preview, or simply click the Page Break Preview icon on the status bar at the bottom of the screen. This view will show the current page breaks, and you can manually drag the blue borders to adjust what appears on each page. You can choose to include only specific columns or rows on each page, giving you more control over the layout before converting it to PDF. Once you've adjusted the page size and layout, go back to the Print menu, select Microsoft Print to PDF as the printer, and enter the page numbers you want to convert. Then click Print to generate your custom PDF. There's also a quick and easy way to convert only selected content from an Excel sheet to PDF. This is perfect if you don't want to convert the entire worksheet or workbook. To do this, first highlight the specific cells or content you want to convert. Then go to the Print menu and choose Microsoft Print to PDF as the printer. Under the Print settings, select Print Selection. Also select landscape orientation and fit all columns on one page and then click print. Only the content you selected will be converted to a PDF, making this a fast and efficient option when you only need to save or share part of your worksheet. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button to show your support. It really helps the channel grow. Make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you never miss out on any of our future videos. We have got plenty more awesome content coming your way. And we'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below, let us know what you think about this video, or if you have any questions, feel free to ask. We'll be responding to your comments, so let's start a conversation. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.